I'm Deb Kelch with Finishful Health Coaching, and here we are again looking in the fridge to see what we can find to eat. Let's see what we have. Ooh. Take that. Looks like we have some kind of meat here. Part of an onion. There's another pepper. Oh, some corn, non-GMO corn. Let's see, what else is in here? What's in here? Mystery container. Broccoli. Okay. So let's go over the stuff I found. I've got my oil, avocado oil. That's what I'll be using today. I found 2 bell peppers, broccoli, part of an onion, non-GMO corn, and it looks like we have here a chicken sausage. Okay. So I've already filled my pot with water here. Gonna put the corn in there and heat it up. So that will probably take the longest. I'm gonna cut my pepper. Wow, that one's big. Might get more than one meal out of that. These are organic peppers. So you see all of these seeds here. If you plant these in your garden, they will grow. So I'll put that here. Let's cut these up. I'm going to pour some oil in the pan, maybe about 3 tablespoons. Put the peppers in there. And chop up some onions. That looks like it for this onion. go. And the broccoli. I'm going to cut this up a little bit smaller. That looks good. Now I have my sausage. Let's chop it up. I'm going to chop these up smaller so they mix more evenly with the vegetables. Okay. I'm going to put a lid on my corn and turn it up to high so that it cooks faster. I have here some minced garlic. Put a little bit of that. Garlic is always good. Also in the pantry, I found some chicken bone broth. Okay, maybe I'll use some of that. Now it's going to take some time for the corn to cook, so we have time. So I'm going to turn these on, maybe on medium. Cook them a little more slowly. Give you a little closer look. This is what we have here. The corn is bubbling. All right, turn the heat up a little more. Got my salt, mineral salt. This is Redmond real salt. And yes, I do buy it in 10-pound buckets. Look at that. Now it's time to get the corn. Butter ready. It's nice and hot. I like lots of butter. We'll now salt the corn. I don't eat corn very often. It's really hard to find good healthy corn. And it's a grain. Every once in a while. And now I'm ready to eat.